Welcome to our tutorial on using FortiGate APIs. We are going to learn about token-based authentication, creating a REST API admin, and making an API call to retrieve information from FortiGate. There are two types of authentication used to make API calls on FortiGate, session-based and token-based. The focus of this tutorial is on token-based authentication. In order to use the token-based authentication, a user must first create a special API admin. Let's first create a read-only admin profile. To create the API administrator, go to Administrators, click on Create New, and select REST API Admin. Enter the administrator name, and choose the profile we just created. We are not going to use PKI group. At least one trusted host must be configured for the API admin. A token is automatically generated when a new API administrator is created in FortiOS. This token is only generated once. You must store this token in a safe place because it cannot be retrieved again. You can, however, regenerate the token at any time. Each API request must include the token in order to be authenticated as the associated API admin. You can call the FortiGate API using either a web browser, curl, or Postman. We will be using Postman. You may download and install Postman from their website. Also sign up for a free account and log in to Postman after installation. For a test, let's generate an API call to return all information about all firewall addresses. In Postman, make sure the method is set to GET, then enter the URL. Under the Authorization tab, select API key. Then, under the Params tab, enter access_token as key. Then paste the API key you copied as the key value. Click on Send to make the call. Here we see the response. The status is OK. Just have a look at the firewall addresses and their properties. All 13 firewall addresses have been pulled in a single API call. Let's check the API admin configuration from the CLI. Also remember that the API admin token can be regenerated. See how to do so. Congratulations! You have successfully authenticated against a FortiGate API and made a simple call. In subsequent videos on FortiGate API, we will see how to use API calls to retrieve, create, update, and delete configuration settings, retrieve system logs and statistics, and perform basic administrative actions, such as a reboot or shutdown through programming scripts. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.